Welcome to the next video. Today we are heading over to the Magic Kingdom. We're going to the big house.
We hope you're enjoying these videos. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you love our channel. We love our channel, so we know you would too. We live at Disney.
All right, so looking forward to going to Magic Kingdom, checking it out. We saw the parking lot riding in. It's very crowded. And that's one thing you got to be prepared for with the Magic Kingdom, especially at Christmas time. It gets very packed. The other parks not as much. Magic Kingdom definitely
I
packed.
would say 3 weeks before the holiday, prepare your patience, honey, because it is packed. We already know it. We live here. We used to it, but we're gonna take you with us. That way you don't have to get in your car, fly down here, and spend money. We're just gonna take you with us. Come on.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go.